If you have this noise and you got a T5, B50, this is 2018 B50. A lot of people, they change these hose. That's right, you can change these too. But I want to show you what is the problem. As you come behind right here, the car, this is a canister. So a lot of cars, they have a second. So this is the problem right here. You replace this one and fix it, okay? You can hear a lot of noise. They kept reading. See, you can hear a lot big noise like a fart. This is the canister, okay? But they fail a lot of these. I replace maybe I say 6, 7 these, and this only one. So change that one first, and that's it. That's the noisy. The noise over there. That's the noise. They have a noise. They don't have any code. Only you cannot put in gas, or they like a fart. So you can change these the second canister. So you change the second one, not the first. So this is the first. This is number 1. See right here, the big one. Change the second one. This is the little one. This is the little one that plug. So every time you hear noise, that one, you have to fix this one. I don't know why they fail a lot of this. They plug it up because they're using a cheap gas. Si tienen ese ruido que del carro, este es el canister 1, cambien el 2, el que está aquí atrás, ¿ok? Muchos Volvos S60, B50, S40 tienen este. No recuerdo qué año, pero si tiene este ruido, escucha, escucha. No more. Okay guys, if they help right there, this is a lot of this car. It's 60s, I think 2014 up, okay? So I don't know what happened. They don't use a cheap gas, and see this one is that you can replace that one, and it's easy to replace. Okay, this is the number 1. You got a big one, and second one. So this one, you can hear big noise inside. There's big noise right now. They have a lot of pressure right there. See, if you open right now, it's a lot of pressure. So you guys are going to replace the second canister, and if you want, you can change this one right here. So you don't need these. See, somebody fixed this one, so we have to replace the other one.